Hello everybody, welcome to the U.S. History Week 11 quiz. I'll be reading the quiz and the answer options. There are only 4 questions in this quiz. It's just covering 2 lessons for the week. It is covering fighting on 2 fronts and war's end. The perilous fight lesson has a separate checkpoint. Question number 1. D-Day, June 6, 1944, began the final drive of World War II in the European theater. What event does D-Day refer to? The Allied invasion of Normandy, France, the Battle of Dakar, the bombing of Stalingrad, Russia, or the Battle of the Bulge? Question 2. What was Hitler's final solution? Creating a jobs program to ensure every German had work, the systematic murder of people seen as undesirable to the Nazi government through death camps, the Blitzkrieg, which was a lightning-fast attack by German military forces, or the book Hitler wrote in prison outlining his plan for Germany. Question number 3. Which of the following best describes the Allied strategy in the Pacific? Direct military invasion of the Japanese mainland, a large land assault of the Italian peninsula to negotiate with Japan for peace, or progressing towards Japan by attempting to take military control of Pacific Islands. Question number 4. What was Harry Truman's justification for the use of the atomic bombs to end World War II? The U.S. wanted Japan to suffer for attacking Pearl Harbor. The U.S. wanted to brag to the world about our new power. The U.S. wanted to end the war with fewer U.S. and Japanese casualties. Or we wanted to destroy Japan's atomic weapon facility. At the end of the quiz, please make sure that you click Submit Quiz so that the grade is sent successfully to your instructor. Good luck on your quiz.